Hey YouTube, I wanted to show you a new version of the Polaris that's being worked on, custom job for military, and it's part way through build right now. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of what we have here. We have mounting for M249 Bravo with a full pintle mount. As you can see right now, we've got a replica in place, but it's close to a very perfect replica. The swing mount that we're using is a machined AWS swing mount, and we've created an additional box mount that we're using for carrying a thermal or other imaging processing unit to go along with the passenger who is doing the firing. So basically they have an extra advantage at night to be able to operate. Well, as you can see, if you know anything about the Polaris Crew 800, which is the basis of the MDC, the Polaris Crew typically has seating for 6, and that seating is usually in a bench seat configuration. So what you'll see different here is this version, the version that we're building for demonstration, is running Humvee seats instead of the regular bench seats, as well as additional cross brace, removing the X-cross brace that is typically there to give access to the front and the back of the vehicle while the vehicle is operating. In addition, it's using heavy safety harnesses, 3-inch safety harnesses. And then interestingly, as you can see, we're still part way through fab, but we have, instead of the metal seat in the center, we have a battery compartment. And I won't go right in there, but we have a battery compartment that, when complete, will run a D8 battery, which will give you high ampage power for up to 27 hours straight off this vehicle. So basically, if you're running this vehicle and you need to jump a big diesel truck, you can jump a diesel truck from your Polaris. These side box areas, which typically have storage in them, they'll also be replaced with slide out cage, basically on the driver and passenger side. And then the flooring, you'll notice the flooring has been armoured up a little bit, and we're using diamond plating instead of the typical plating. We've still got a build on the rear going on. We've got basically just a basic engine cover there right now, but we've been able to jack with the motor and pull about an extra 7 horsepower out of the motor. And you'll also notice the rear currently is missing the cargo box. Well, the cargo box is that typically you find on a commercial Polaris, are a 5-foot by 4-foot plastic box, and that box is being replaced with a military style drop side box, which has the ability to actually lock the box into a flat configuration, so it almost doubles the width of the box that's available. In addition, the box is going to be just a little bit longer. It's going to run out just over 4 foot long. We'll see that, and when it comes time for that part of the build, I'll show you. In addition, you'll see hideaways. We're hiding away additional gasoline or water tanks, and essentially we'll end up running 2 additional jerrys that are in a hideaway position on the vehicle. And then the additional space that we have under there will be armoured up a little bit underneath to protect it, and there'll be some additional electronics packages that we're putting in here. I can't speak about those at this time. So there's a quick tour. Hope you enjoyed it, and there's nothing like having a Polaris that has a machine gun hanging off the front of it. Okay, have a great day.